We are working on a Mazda 3. This happens to be a 2010, and we are replacing the side mirror. First thing we have to do is to remove this panel right here called the sail panel. It's held on by a couple of clips. We can just leave the connector connected to the speaker. It's not really in our way. Next we need to remove this connector right here that goes to the mirror. Just like that. After we remove the electrical connector, we want to remove these 3 8mm headed bolts that hold the mirror on. Here is the last screw. Okay, they're all off. Now there's nothing holding the mirror on, so it'll come right off. And to replace our mirror, all we have to do is to reverse our steps from this point on, and we'll have replaced our mirror on our Mazda 3.